Good morning, second graders. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. My question to you is it Friday yet? Hopefully you don't feel like me looking like this today. If you do, it's okay. Give yourself some grace period and take a break. And try again in a little bit. Today on our schedule, we have daily language review again. Whereas kids, you're going to read a book. Make sure you read and listen to it and then take the quiz. Remember, we want you to get everything right on the first try. If you make a mistake, that's okay, but we don't want you missing a lot of questions. Lunch and recess, 60-minute break. Math, you have Math 180, day 139. You're going to go back to Brain Pop and do the word play, and then you have music today. The quote for today is, if you are always trying to be normal, you will never know how amazing you can be. Happy Thursday! Daily language review. If you have not yet completed this, go ahead and pause the video now, and then we will resume when you are ready. I will wait. All right, second graders, let's go ahead and go over daily language review, Thursday, week 32. Have you read a story about a geese that laid golden eggs? Have needs to be capitalized. You read. Red is a color. Hopefully you didn't fall for that trick, so it needs to be R-E-A-D. A story about a goose, because geese is more than one. Have you read a story about a goose that laid golden eggs? Question mark at the end. Arnold and Lisa got Mickey Mouse watches. Arnold needs to be capitalized because it's a name, and then Lisa needs to be capitalized because that's also a name. Arnold and Lisa have. Mickey needs to be capitalized. Mouse needs to be capitalized because Mickey Mouse is a name. Watches, period. What pronouns go on each line? Remember, pronoun replaces the noun. So Carlos has a rabbit. So it would be he feeds it carrots. Which words have the same meaning? Look, hear, see, speak. Look and see would mean the same thing. So see and look. Where do the quotation marks go? What is your name? Asked Anita. So this is one thing we haven't talked about. When someone is speaking, we've kind of talked about this with writing. When someone is speaking, when you write it, you put quotation marks about what they're saying. So quotation marks here and quotation marks here before asked. Tally those up and let me see what you got. You're going to get on Raz Kids. Remember to go to the login and log into Raz Kids. Your writing for today is writing about the duck, who or what, did what, where, when, why, and you're going to write a sentence. Please make sure when you're writing you might write more than one word. Some of you are just writing one word in these lines. I would like a little more detail on each line, please. Math 180, you are doing day 139. If you have not done this yet, please take a minute and pause the video. We will wait for you to finish. All right, second graders, we're going to go ahead and go over Math 180. Write the numeral for 485. Hopefully you had numbers 4, 8, and 5 in order. 72 plus 12, 2 plus 2 is 4, 7 plus 1 is 8, making that 84. 97 minus 70, hopefully you wrote that out. 97 minus 70. 7 minus 0 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2, so that would equal 27. Number 4 is kind of a trick question. 73 plus 55 is equal to 55 plus 73. Hopefully that one didn't get you. Color the correct cross section. So this means when you cut that in half, you looked at the base, that would give you a clue. So this would be the cross section. That was what you would see when you open it. Is an elephant taller or shorter than a yard? Well, an elephant is typically, one of my fun facts from working at the zoo, typically about 10 feet tall. So it would be taller than a yard because a yard is only 3 feet. Number 7 is asking you to look at the graph. It wants to know which pets do all 3 children own. So if we look across and look down, so they all have a hamster and they all have a cat. So hamster and cat. I am 15 less than 59. What number am I? 59 minus 15, 9 minus 5 is 4. And 5 minus 1 is 4, so that would be 44. Go ahead and tally it up on the side so I can see it. Remember, when you're grading, please grade in a different color other than the color that you wrote in so I can see where you changed your answer or might have gotten tricked so we can review it. Today you're going to do wordplay. This is just a reminder with the chart that we went over yesterday to help you with your wordplay. Today is music. I want you to dance it out, have a dance party. Maybe you have a dance party with your siblings or with your parents. Put on some music and dance it out. Keep calm and carry on. I'm thinking about all you guys and we're almost through the week. Hang in there, we're almost there.